Cheeeese. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Mariah Milano and welcome to my channel. So you guys know I don't do a lot of product reviews at all. So I'm doing this one for the Cheeeese toothbrush because it is amazing. I haven't tried this out yet. We're gonna try this out together. Okay. Oh, I love the color. Look at this. So this is the case for the toothbrush. That's your USB cord. I chose this one because it'll be perfect when I travel. And these are the brush heads. So you get 4. And they're all for different types of things. So like massage, for gum, for sensitive, things like that. So it's nice to have options. And one charge from the battery lasts for 300 days. So that's a lot of brushing your teeth on one battery. One charge lasts for 300 days. So you won't have to worry about it going dead on you. So let's try it out. It feels it's so quiet you can barely even hear it. See? You hear it? That's it. You really feel that in your gums. I love it. So make sure you guys get the Cheeeese Sonic toothbrush. The link is in the description below. And make sure you use my promo code and you will get 10% off. Okay, so I gotta finish brushing my teeth. Here's a couple videos that I know you're gonna love. Click this one to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.